Hi, I'm Jen Woodhouse from the House of Wood, and today I'm so excited to introduce you to the new Outdoor Accent Sage system from a brand that I've used and trusted for many years, Simpson Strong-Tie. The Sage system has a ton of special features, making it easier than ever to build the pergola of your dreams. Let's take a closer look. The connectors have a unique design that lets you decide if you want to build from the top down or the ground up. The closed sleeve of the corner connectors holds posts securely at the top and bottom. The open top makes it easier to set each beam into place and is helpful for fitting wood that's slightly larger or smaller than it's supposed to be. For added convenience, both corner connectors and middle T connectors have stop tabs that provide an endpoint for each post. These keep the beams from hitting the posts. The post bases attach to the wood posts with premium Outdoor Accents connector screws that drill in fast and hold tight. There's a built-in standoff to keep your posts 1 inch above the concrete. This helps avoid wood rot caused by moisture. Anchor holes in the flanges make securing these post bases to concrete quick and simple using Titan Turbo concrete and masonry screw anchors. Each component is made of high-quality, heavy-duty ZMAX galvanized steel, which delivers superior corrosion resistance. The beautiful black powder coating adds both timeless style and durability that will weather the elements and last for years. Make it truly yours by adding rafters, a sunshade, string lights, or other Outdoor Accents accessories to match your style. The Outdoor Accent Sage system makes it unbelievably easy to build your dream pergola in just 1 day. Learn more at strongtie.com/sage system.